Welcome back to my channel. It's a vicious cycle, isn't it? Cleaning. You just get one area cleaned and you move on to the next, and before you know it, you've got to go back to the first one and clean all over again. I do believe I just had a big mess like this. Well, I've got another one. If this is the first time you've ever been to this channel, I'm Julie, keeper of my home. I'm so glad to have you here. I had some company last night. We had our daughter-in-law, our son, and our two granddaughters, 1 and 5. The 1-year-old, she's a little hurricane, that one. She can make one mess and move on to the next and just go on to the next one before you know it. But they're fun. I have a lot of cleaning to do. More just picking up and putting things back, I guess. It was late when they left last night, and a lot of the time the girls do pick up after themselves. Their mom has them pick up, but they were tired and they still needed to go home and have showers and baths, so I just told them that I'd take care of it. And I also have some dishes to do, as you could see. I just relaxed last night, my husband and I, and we enjoyed the kids. It's nice, you know, because when you're in it and you're the parent, it's really hard to do that. But when you're the grandparent, let me tell you, that's where all the joy is. So come clean with me today. I thought I'd do things a little different in this video. I'm just going to skip the voiceover and just let you enjoy the video and the music. I hope you like doing things this way. If you like this change, let me know. If you prefer for me to jump in every now and again and do a voiceover, I'd really like to know, so leave me a comment below.
I know I should, but I don't wanna fall. I know with you I have to learn my lessons. You go up when I go down. You see clear when I go blind. When I fall hard, you turn me around. Oh, you go up when I go down. You see clear when I go blind. And oh, I hope you always be around. The show is over. Now you finally know it's you and you only. So hard when I go down, and you see clear when I go blind. When I fall hard, you turn me around, and oh, I hope you always be around. The show is over now, you finally know it's you, and you only so hard trying to show it. Give you my all, I promise I'll be good, waiting for answers. Now it's up to you. Now it's up to you. what's the difference? How this will turn out, no one knows. Relationships is complicated. You say you will, I know you won't. And this goes on and on and on and on and on. You're just a spinning wheel and I can't keep it up. So there you go, and I keep falling slow motion, but they got nothing on you. Just tell me what you want me to do. So there you go, I keep falling slow motion, but they got nothing on you. Just tell me what you want me to do. Don't wanna wait here. Relationships is complicated. You say you will, I know you won't. And this goes on and on and on and on and on. You're just a spinning wheel and I can keep it up. So there you go, I keep falling slow motion, but they got nothing on you. Just tell me what you want me to do. Don't wanna wait here. You go, and I keep falling in slow motion. Nothing on you. Tell me what you want me to do. Don't wanna wait it like a fool.
Now we're back to a clean house. I like a clean house. Thank you for watching today, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. I do all things home here. Cleaning, gardening, organizing, decorating, anything you do in your home. I'd love for you to subscribe. You can do that below. I have some makeovers that I have done. I can link them above. And I've got a really big makeover coming up. And I've also got a photo shoot coming up with Country Sampler magazine. That's going to be later on this summer, and we can't wait. So I'm preparing the house. So click that notification bell so you don't miss out on anything that I'm doing new here. And until next time,